Hi, this is Kevin from PlowPartsDirect.com. Today I just wanted to show you a way to convert one truck to another truck with a Western Ultramount plow. So if you went to PlowPartsDirect.com, down on the left hand side you'll see categories. If you go down to Western Ultramount truck kits, you can click on that. And then if you scroll down a little bit further, we have either the non-Fleet Flex or the Fleet Flex. The non-Fleet Flex is the typical Ultramount that's been out there for a couple of years. This has 3 electrical plugs where the plow meets the truck, and this is for a straight blade, not for a V-plow. So if you click on this, it'll show you a couple different things that you can input on it. We give you a couple pictures here of the 3-plug setup. So this is the power ground, the harness that's coming off of the lights, and then the harness that's coming off of the valve block. Now this is on the plow side. These are the units when they're plugged together. That keeps the dust out. This power ground wire goes into a receiver pocket on the plow itself to keep the moisture out. So this kit, what this kit's going to give you is, it's basically going to give you these items here. So it's going to give you the frame, the isolation module, the harnesses that you need for the lights. It's an option to get a control, because if you're, let's say, moving from a Dodge to a Ford, you already have the control. Additionally, you already probably have these receiver pockets that the plow actually glides into. These are universal between Ford, Dodge, and Chevy. Right now you have a 2018, and it's going to be an F250. On that one, there's a couple different style headlights that Ford offers. The typical is what they call the H13 quad, and if you're not sure about the headlights, usually it's stamped on the plastic part of the headlight on the vehicle. Some vehicles there's only one option, but for this particular model and year there is a couple different options. There's also an LED headlight option. So control, we're not going to add a control because you have it from the Dodge. On this unit here, this is kind of a double check just to make sure you're going to be getting the proper frame for your truck. So it gives you a couple different options. Basically, it has all the frames that are out there, so you can scroll down to the model that you see. So this here is showing the Ford 2017 to 18, F350, 250, 550. All those are going to be the same unit. So if we click on that, that just confirms that we've entered the same information here. We have the headlight harness. All you have to do now is just add to cart. And if you want to continue shopping, you can. If you want to check out, you can. Basically, this is going to give you everything that you need on the truck side.